Hey guys, so today I've got this MyPassport SSD. It's a WD one, 512 gigabytes, and got it 2 months ago as a Christmas present, and I thought I would save it so that you guys could have a taste of an unboxing. So this costs $169 at JB Hi-Fi, which is what we have in Australia for tech stores, but I think in America and UK you'll probably have much different ones. So anyway, in terms of this product, it has speeds of 540 megabytes per second up to, so I'm not sure if read-write will live up to it, and all that stuff. That's the back as well. Main reason I'm getting this, or got this, was because just to back up my storage and for media as well. So yeah, let's open it up. Got a handy knife as well. Okay, so first we are greeted by hello, which is quite nice, and that's sort of an instruction on how to get it set up. So this has got a USB-C and USB-A connection. So A is the main one for your laptops that might be a bit older, but if you have USB-C, which is mostly what Android phones use, then you can also connect with that. You've also got this software that they have available too, which is okay. Wow, so you've got the main product, and it looks really premium. I really like the brushed stainless steel look here, and on the back they've got the warranty guide. Don't look at that, look at it later. Got the adapter, so here, okay, so it comes with a separate unit and you just pop it on. I have gone for USB-A and USB-C adapters where they would have like a rubber silicone strap, but I think you wouldn't use that because otherwise it would just break pretty easy. So it's simple as that setup. It's definitely great. And the box is sort of, I think, recyclable as well, which is good. Not the standard plastic, but okay, there might be some plastic, but it's more a mixture. Here we have the product. It's really lightweight. Yeah, definitely one of those things, and it looks really nice. You've got that nice clean black WD logo here, and then you've got a stainless steel brush look in the back as well. So now I'm actually going to boot up my computer over there, and I'm going to set it up and transfer some files because I actually need to do that. So I'll get that set up. So guys, so I've got my solid state drive here, and I've got the adapter here, so I'm just going to connect it into the port here, the USB-C one. And then next step is to actually connect it to my computer, and preferably the USB-C port, but unfortunately I don't have that, so I have to go with the USB-A SS speed port. Yep. So this is about 170 gigs, so we'll do that first. I'm going to start the timer. Okay, so it's been 8.5 minutes, and it's finally actually done some loading. So it's been about 17 minutes now, and we're still going. Alright, so it's been about 27.5 minutes, 38% complete. Hey guys, so I've also got a scale here, so I'll just show you how much this weighs. 39 grams, so if you round it up, 40 grams, and then also with this part. Okay, so 39 plus 17 is 56 grams, so that's actually really light. And it doesn't come with a case, but otherwise you can fit it in your pocket, and it's really great to do that. So it's been about 36 minutes, and it's 52% complete. Okay, so it's nearly been 49 minutes, and we're 71% complete. Alright, so it's been just about an hour, and we're an 87% complete. For comparison, this 15,000 milliamp Signet power bank weighs 359 grams. So yeah, this is definitely, this solid state drive is pretty light. Alright, so just over 1 hour and 5 minutes and a half, and we're 94%. 8 minutes and 30 seconds left and 8.75 gigs left, so we've basically gone through about nearly 161.45 gigabytes. So just under about 2 hours and it's fully done. Go in, yep, it's all there. So yeah, that's how long it took.